No, Beau, I really love these. I love these tranquil moments with you where we just, really just enjoy the peace and quiet, right? That comes with living in Centertown. So quiet, peaceful. Definitely no noise or aggressive actions out here. Definitely everyone is so calm and they just love, they love the environment, Bubba. Like it's clear, like it's just that peace and tranquility. Really living the dream, eh, Bubba? My gosh, thank you, Bubby. Good thing that you, good thing you went to all those prestigious, training academies, Bubba. Oh, I see you're welcome to say hi. You can say hi, he's friendly. Oh, he's attached. He's in service. He's a service dog. And she says goodbye. Do you want to